time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
So, I'm in Berlin and it's my first 4K video with the GoPro Hero 7. The only thing I would like to note is that 4K is supported only in wide view. So the highest resolution possible with linear mode is 2.7K. So please let me know if wide view is acceptable or it really provides this fisheye feeling. So I would really like to know that. So right now we're getting some fuel and we're gonna be ready in 15 minutes, I hope. Just only one thing I wanted to show you is what can we do if technicians forget to put the pita covers in the airplane for some reason. So we have to improvise. So that's what we did. You improvise. So we get 600 liters of fuel and we go.
Wind 200 degrees, 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers. Clouds few. 2,800 feet. Broken 4,400 feet. Temperature 5. Dew point 0. QMH 901 hectopascal. Trend nosing.
So that's the briefing. We're gonna go from apron Delta, runway 25 left to correction 25 right to Warsaw.
Okay.
So if possible, we request Lima 6 for departure. Okay.
Okay. What is the distance from Lima 6?
Yeah, for Lima 6 we gonna have 8,300 feet remaining.
Yeah. Okay. 3,847
Mm-hmm.
meters.
So then we're gonna execute 2 VOC 4X-ray, confirm?
Yeah.
So it's straight 5 miles and turn left with max of 220 knots, and it's pretty much straight to 2 VOC. So we should remain with the tower frequency till 2,000 feet, then we should contact Bremen radar on 120630. It's selected on COM1 on standby.
Okay, yeah.
Performance-wise, we expect 19.1 takeoff weight with the flaps 8, no anti-ice, and speeds to 134, 41, and 61.
Okay.
Emergency briefing. In case of any failures till later, we abort. Till we on, we abort as well in case of engine malfunctions. After one, we continue. We rotate the VR climate V2 will be my control, my ATC. You will advise type of malfunction, and based on type of malfunction, we'll proceed with the necessary memory items or the QRH items. And as we are below our landing weight, we are going to request vectors and land back here because we have maintenance facilities here. So,
and they give us presents.
And yeah, that will be better. Weather here and in our destination and alternative is good, although the forecast is that we may expect some snow there, but anyway, it's well above our minimum.
Okay.
And there are no special notes. Any questions?
No questions. Engines.
Request startup, please.
Ground Amex 30, request start.
Amex 30, sorry, confirm ready for startup?
Yeah, we're ready.
Roger, startup approved, Amex 30.
Startup approved, Amex 30.
Request taxi, please.
Ground Amex 30, request taxi.
Confirm my Quebec 30, roger. Taxi behind the follow me car. Victor 1, then Delta Lima 7, holding point 25 right.
Okay.
Okay, follow Victor 1, Delta Lima 7, holding point 25, Amex 30.
Okay, left is clear. Thanks a lot.
Right side is clear. Taxi, right steering.
Just a second. Okay, my side brakes. Check your side. Okay.
Snap.
Amex 3 Zulu approaching Lima 7, ready for departure.
Alpha Mike Quebec 3 Zulu, via Lima 7, line up 25 right.
Via Lima 7, line up 25 and wait, Amex 3 Zulu.
Line up checks, please.
Runway.
25, right identified.
Right side is clear.
And let me see what's happening there to the left. As far as I see, it's clear.
Ignition.
On.
Detect.
On.
Not yet.
Not required.
Okay. Explain about this. Drop it back. Spoilers.
Armed.
Happy arm. Cabin air. Let's go.
Alpha Mike Quebec 3 Zulu, wind 1907, knots on 25 right, cleared for takeoff by.
Clear for takeoff 25 right, Amex 3 Zulu. Thank you, bye bye.
Normal. Ready? Take off faster. Let's check. Go. Gear up your damn number.
Radar, Amex 3 Zulu, hello, after departure, approaching 2000, looking for height, direct 4X3.
Amex 3 Zulu, hello, departure identified, climb flight level 160.
Landing 160, Amex 3 Zulu.
160, please, and check. Stand by. And flex up, please. My kid, please. Stop doing hip. Standard.
Amex 3 Zulu, turn left direct ANZAP.
Heading ANZAP left, Amex 3 Zulu, thank you.
Direct ANZAP, please. To the left. Check, thank you. Stop with kid off, please. Oh, please. Stand by, please. Getting up some temperature, please. Thank you. Approaching 160.
Radar, Amex 3 Zulu, approaching 160.
Amex 3 Zulu, contact Grayman radar 136450, bye.
136450 by Amex 3 Zulu, bye. Radar, Amex 3 Zulu, hello with you, climbing, approaching 160, looking for higher.
Hello, Amex 3 Zulu, climb flight level 270, you identified.
270, Amex 3 Zulu, thank you.
270, check.
for the book for Mr. Runway. I have a time.
FMS vertical speed.
Amex 3 Zulu, English runway 08, runway 0, breaking action good. Wind 150 degrees, 5 knots. Cut okay. Temperature 2, dew point -2. QNH -5. Transition level -0. Warszawa approach Amex 3 Zulu, hello, descending level 110 from BIMPA. And the chance for shortcut to Goodyear?
Amex 3 Zulu approach, dzień dobry, direct Goodyear, descent flight level 100. Expect LSE right and lower in 18 miles, just this team.
Descending 100 direct Goodyear. Thank you, sir. Amex 3 Zulu.
Road 537 direct Avina.
Left one captured, right slope is armed.
Road 9 recommend, proceed direct Nimis.
Nimis, Road 9 expect.
Amex 3 Zulu, if localizer establish contact modeling tower 1239 30, dzięki.
1239 30 establish. Dzięki. Modeling tower Amex 3 Zulu, dzień dobry, establish. Amex 3 Zulu, dzień dobry, tower, wind 130 degrees 4 knots, runway 08, clear to land. Clear to land, right, Amex 3 Zulu.
Right slope captured around 3000 set. And runway will apply. Okay, flips landing gear down. Flaps full down, the landing checks. Landing.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Apex 3 Zulu, vacate Bravo, continue Sierra, report on apron.
Bravo Sierra, call you on apron, Amex 3 Zulu.
Hold on a second. cleaning checks, please. And you can start from the left. Windshield default. Spoilers, lights, recognition off. It's in front. Hidden air. And spoilers and flaps. Yeah, that's. Can you write down also the times, please? Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Probably it was the last one during this duty.
Grazie.